And here you have the Louis Vuitton building and the Art and Science Museum right here. And it's a great place. The Sentosa Boardwalk. And when on the actual island, you can find Universal Studios.
The bay, while gardens bloom in the heart of the skyline, their canopies reaching high above the concrete. Pool below, its mist drifting through the air like a gentle whisper. Around it,
Generally stay if you do decide to go with the hostel. Get ready to eat some fresh seafood when you're down here.
their canopies reaching high above the concrete. Beneath the polished edges, the city hum.
But you could see up here, they do have a cafe, they have a lounge area at the very top. So if you're looking
city skyline shimmering across the bay. At night, the domes glow softly. Beaches curve along turquoise waters, and hidden trails wind through lush jungle.
And in case you're wondering exactly what a food hawker is, it's basically food stalls kind of. The actual jewel itself. I would like to thank you guys for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV.